Students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the law of conservation of momentum, which is also belongs to chapter number 3, which is on page number 69 and 70. So let us start our lecture.
Hmm.
Law of conservation of momentum. Try to understand by figure. This sphere is of mass m1 and the second sphere having mass m2. Sphere having mass m1 have initial velocity u1 and its initial velocity u2. So if we consider or suppose u1, which is velocity of m1, is greater than u2, which is the velocity of m2, then mass m1 will approaches to body having mass m2. So here we can see that body having mass m1 touch the body having mass m2. At the next stage, body having mass m1 will collide to body having mass m2. When these two bodies collide with each other, their initial velocity u1 and u2 will change into v1 and v2. So we have to learn momentum of body m1, which is m1 u1, and momentum of body having mass m2 m2 u2, which is momentum before collision. And after collision, the momentum of body having mass m1 m1 v1 and the body having mass m2 having momentum m2 v2. At the first stage, we will discuss its definition. The momentum of an isolated system of two or more than two interacting bodies remains constant. It means momentum before collision and momentum after collision. These two momentums are equal. And this is known as the law of conservation of momentum. Its explanation: consider an isolated system of two spheres of masses m1 and m2. They are moving in a straight line with initial velocities u1 and u2 respectively, such that u1 is greater than u2. So mass m1 will collide or approaches to mass m2. So momentum before collision of mass m1 is m1 u1, and momentum before collision of mass m2 is equal to m2 u2. So total momentum before collision will be equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Final momentum after collision of mass m1 will be m1 v1, because here u1 change into v1, which is final velocity. Final momentum after collision of mass m2 is equal to m2 v2. So total final momentum after collision is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. According to law of conservation of momentum, momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. So mathematically, we can write it as m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Dear students, I hope you will understand this lecture, our law of conservation of momentum. You have to learn by heart also write this topic on your neat copies. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, बढ़ना है, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is the slogan of native. Allah Hafiz.